Hello, please welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the bottom. Mask moment. And raw honey. It's turmeric and raw honey. Both on my face. Apparently the face will look nice. Hey, being a woman, it's so difficult. So yeah, this is me trying this out because I've got a lot of pimples. So apparently it's gonna help me. We don't have a choice but to make sure that we look beautiful. You simply mix your honey and your turmeric together. You apply it on your face, you leave it for 30 minutes, then you rinse it. It leaves your face fresh and purified.